wondered what's really happening behind the scenes in your SAP Integration Suite? Let me tell you about a super tool you probably haven't heard much about, Access Logs. Think of Access Logs as your system's black box recorder, capturing every click, every login, and every change. But here is the thing that makes them really exciting. They are not just collecting dust in some digital corner. These logs are actually your first line of defense against security threats, your personal detective for troubleshooting, and your compliance best friend. For instance, if someone tries to access sensitive data at 3 a.m., guess who catches them? That's right, your access logs. The best part? You have got two types working for you: audit logs, watching your security and compliance, and system logs, monitoring your performance. And get this, they can help you spot problems before they become disaster. Remember, in the world of system security, what you don't know can hurt you. But with access logs, you will be always one step ahead. We are going to cover more insights on it in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe and follow ZaranTech. In today's session, we will cover three main areas. First, we will provide an overview of access logs, what they are and why they are so important. Next, we will explore the different types of logs available, focusing on the key features and use cases of both audit logs and system log files. Finally, we will discuss the best practices for effectively analyzing and leveraging access logs to ensure compliance, optimize performance, and maintain a secure system. By the end of this session, you will have a comprehensive understanding of access logs in the SAP Integration Suite and how to put this knowledge into practice. So, let us get started. Wondering how access logs enhance security and monitoring in the SAP Integration Suite? Access logs track every request, providing insights into user actions and system performance, essential for maintaining secure and efficient integrations. Did you know that every click, every access, and every interaction within your SAP Integration Suite is recorded? These records, known as access logs, act as digital footprints telling us exactly what happened and when. But what makes them so important? Access logs are systematic records of all activities in the SAP Integration Suite. They are vital for security monitoring and threat detection. Detect potential breaches early. For instance, an unusual login attempt can flag unauthorized access attempts. Performance optimization. Access logs show system load and usage patterns, helping IT teams fine-tune performance. Troubleshooting. When errors arise, access logs are a go-to for identifying where and why the issue occurred. Compliance and regulations. Many industries require detailed records to meet legal standards. Access logs ensure everything is trackable. Tracking user activities. From software updates to user changes, logs capture each modification, providing accountability. In short, access logs are essential for maintaining a secure, efficient, and compliant environment. Did you know that logs can reveal hidden insights about your system's health and security? Let us explore two essential types of logs every system should have. First, the audit log. Think of it as your system's security guard. This log focuses on security-relevant events and configuration changes, making it invaluable for compliance and security audits. For example, if there is an unauthorized access attempt, the audit log captures it, giving accountability and traceability. These logs are essential in industries with strict regulations like finance or healthcare. Next, we have system log files. These logs capture the nuts and bolts of system operations, including message processing and runtime behavior. Imagine a scenario where your application suddenly slows down. System logs will show detailed information that helps you pinpoint the cause, making it crucial for debugging and performance monitoring. For instance, if a server is experiencing a high load, system logs provide data to guide the resolution process. In short, both audit logs and system logs play critical roles in safeguarding and optimizing your systems. Curious about keeping your data secure in SAP Integration Suite? Access logs or audit logs capture every system activity, offering transparency, enhancing security, and making it easier to troubleshoot issues effectively. Are you confident your system is secure? With data breaches on the rise, an audit log might be your best defense. The audit log is essential for security and compliance monitoring. Think of it as a digital record keeper, capturing every significant action that occurs within your system. Whether it's an employee accessing sensitive files or an admin updating permissions, every step is logged and saved. Imagine you are in healthcare, needing to comply with strict HIPAA regulations. The audit log ensures you can track every access point, verifying that only authorized personnel interact with patient data. This not only meets regulatory standards but also provides a clear trail for accountability in system administration. For example, if there is an unauthorized login attempt in your database, the audit log will flag it, allowing you to act before any data is compromised. Plus, during routine security audits, these logs serve as evidence showcasing your system's defenses. In short, the audit log helps you stay proactive, compliant, and protected in today's evolving digital landscape. Ever wondered how organizations keep track of changes and ensure compliance in complex systems? Enter the Audit Log, a vital tool for tracking key system activities. Today, we will dive into the key features of the Audit Log with practical examples. One major aspect of audit logs is configuration modifications. This includes tracking changes in integration flows, such as when a new integration is added or altered, security setting updates like password policy changes, user permission modifications for controlling access, and system parameter adjustments to improve performance. Deployment activities are another crucial part. The log captures package deployments, such as when a new software package is pushed to the system. It also tracks integration flow activations, ensuring smooth processes, and API deployments vital for connecting systems. Lastly, the audit log also records deletion events, such as removed artifacts, deleted configurations, and purged data records. For instance, if old data records are deleted to maintain system hygiene, the log will capture this. Having this detailed log is key to maintaining transparency, security, and compliance in any system. Stay tuned to learn how you can set up your audit log. Here, we will dive into why understanding the retention period for your audit logs is crucial. Audit logs play a key role in tracking and documenting activities within an IT system. The standard retention period for audit logs is typically 30 days. This period is essential to ensure logs remain accessible for troubleshooting, analysis, and security audits. However, retaining logs for longer period of time may increase storage costs and make management difficult. That is why effective data archiving strategies are necessary. Archiving older logs ensures they are stored securely and can be accessed when needed without overwhelming your system. When setting retention policies, compliance considerations are critical. Many regulations require audit logs to be kept for a certain time. For example, the GDPR mandates retaining logs for a period that supports investigations of potential breaches. To safeguard your logs, best practices for log backup should be followed. Regular backups ensure the data is not lost if there's an incident, and it also meets legal and organizational requirements. Are you struggling to manage your audit logs efficiently? Learn how to access and filter your logs quickly via the monitoring dashboard. To get started, navigate to the monitoring dashboard in your system. Here, you can access detailed audit logs to track and analyze system activities. The dashboard provides several filtering options to help you narrow down the logs according to your specific needs. You can filter logs based on a date range to focus on a particular time frame. For instance, if you need logs from last week, simply select the range and retrieve relevant entries. Next, use the event type filtering to view logs related to specific activities like logins, data modifications, or errors. This helps you pinpoint critical actions. For better granularity, filter by user to focus on the activities of a specific individual. For example, if you need to review actions taken by a particular admin, this option is perfect. Additionally, the severity levels filter allows you to prioritize critical events, ensuring that the most important logs are highlighted. Lastly, you can export these logs for further analysis, making it easier to share or save them for reporting. Efficient logging management is crucial. Use these features to stay in control of your system security and performance.
If you're enjoying this content so far, why not join our community? Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let us get back to the topic at hand.
Access logs in the SAP Integration Suite are crucial for monitoring system activities. They capture key events, allowing administrators to track performance, diagnose issues, and ensure efficient integration across different systems and services. Did you know that one of the most powerful tools for error analysis and troubleshooting in IT systems is the humble system log file? Let us dive into why these logs are crucial for maintaining smooth system operations. System log files provide detailed technical logging, capturing every event that happens within a system. For instance, when an application crashes, the log file records the error messages, stack traces, and the exact moment of failure, giving you valuable insight for troubleshooting. These logs also track runtime behavior, allowing IT teams to monitor how software is running over time. For example, if there's a performance drop, these logs can pinpoint exactly where the issue is occurring, whether it's a memory leak, CPU overload, or external API failures. In addition, system logs are essential for performance analysis. They highlight areas where the system might be slowing down, helping IT professionals optimize performance. Tracking errors and resolving them is another key aspect. Logs help identify recurring issues, which can then be fixed to prevent future disruptions. Finally, system health monitoring is made easier with logs, providing continuous feedback on the overall stability and performance of your systems. Logs are your first line of defense in troubleshooting, so learning how to use them effectively is crucial. Ever wondered how to keep track of what's happening behind the scenes of your system? System log files hold the key to understanding every action, performance, and issue in your system. Let us dive into the key features that make log files so powerful. First, we have message payload tracking. Log files allow you to monitor the data exchanged during each process. For example, in an online transaction system, the log would capture the transaction details and confirm its success or failure. Next, processing steps documentation. Every system action is logged, giving a detailed view of what's happening at every step. Imagine troubleshooting a failed order. Log files would show you exactly where the breakdown occurred. Then we have error messages and stack traces. These are crucial for diagnosing problems. For instance, if an app crashes, The error message helps pinpoint the bug, and the stack trace shows the exact location in the code. Performance metrics provide insights into system efficiency. By tracking response times and processing speeds, you can identify bottlenecks. Finally, system resource utilization is logged, showing you CPU, memory, and disk usage. It helps detect potential overloads or inefficiencies. Log files are more than just records, they are the pulse of your system, guiding troubleshooting and optimization. Have you ever wondered how system logs are managed and why their retention period is so important? Let us take a closer look at the impact of keeping log files for just 7 days. In IT systems, short term technical logging is essential for tracking events, performance, and errors. These logs help identify potential issues but can quickly pile up, consuming valuable storage space. This is where storage management comes into play. Without a retention strategy, your system storage can quickly run out of space. To avoid this, organizations rely on strategies for important log preservation. Not all logs are necessary for long term storage, so the key logs need to be preserved for future audits or troubleshooting, while less critical ones can be safely discarded. A key solution is using automated cleanup processes. These processes ensure that logs older than the defined retention period, like the 7-day limit, are automatically deleted, preventing unnecessary storage consumption and keeping the system optimized. For example, a web server may keep logs for 7 days to allow for detailed monitoring, yet still maintain efficient use of storage. Have you ever wondered how to effectively access and manage system log files? Whether you're troubleshooting, auditing, or analyzing data, knowing how to access, filter, and download logs can make all the difference. Let us dive into the key features that make log collection easier and more efficient. First, filtering capabilities allow you to narrow down log data based on specific parameters. For example, if you're troubleshooting a specific issue, you can filter logs by error codes or time frames, saving you time. Next, the search functionality helps you quickly locate entries in large sets of logs, just like using a search bar in your browser to find the exact page you need. You can also export logs in multiple formats such as CSV or JSON, ensuring compatibility with your tools. Additionally, batch processing lets you handle multiple log files at once, speeding up the entire process. Now, when it comes to log access, you have multiple methods. The web interface offers easy navigation. API-based access provides automation, and bulk download options let you grab large sets of logs in one go. Efficient log management is key to maintaining system health. Now you're ready to start using these features. Are you aware that system logs are one of the most powerful tools for IT security and performance optimization? System log files provide a comprehensive view of your system's health, security status, and overall performance. These logs track every action, error, and event, making them essential for real time monitoring, detecting potential security incidents, optimizing performance, and ensuring compliance. For example, security professionals rely on logs to detect unusual access patterns, helping to identify and mitigate attacks like brute force login attempts. In terms of performance, system logs can pinpoint slow processes or errors that affect system efficiency. They are also crucial for capacity planning. By tracking usage trends, administrators can predict when resources will need to be upgraded. Moreover, log files play a key role in compliance management, providing the necessary documentation for audits and regulatory checks. Without proper log monitoring, Organizations risk missing crucial issues from security breaches to system inefficiencies. System logs aren't just files, they are windows into your system's health, safety, and performance. As a system administrator or IT security professional, mastering their use is key to maintaining a robust, secure, and efficient environment. Are you wondering how to manage the SAP Integration Suite effectively? Access logs are the key. Learn the best practices for log analysis to streamline troubleshooting and improve your integration processes. Let us dive in. Let us explore the best practices for filtering logs based on specific criteria. Time-based filtering is essential for narrowing down logs from a specific time frame. For example, if you're troubleshooting an issue that happened yesterday, you can filter logs from that day to save time. Severity-based filtering helps you focus on logs with critical or error messages. Instead of sifting through all logs, you can prioritize severe issues like system crashes or security breaches. Component-based filtering enables you to zero in on specific parts of your system. If you're investigating issues with a database, filter logs from the database component to reduce noise. User-based filtering is great for identifying problems tied to specific users. This could be useful for troubleshooting login failures or permissions issues. Lastly, event type filtering lets you focus on specific events such as failed logins or successful transactions. By implementing these filters, you can drastically improve your log analysis, making it faster and more efficient. Log analysis is a vital skill for troubleshooting. Let us break down the best practices. Understanding log formats. Logs come in different formats like JSON or plain text. For instance, server logs often contain timestamps, error codes, and system messages. Understanding the format is crucial for effective analysis. Identifying error patterns. Looking for recurring patterns in log entries. For example, if a particular error code shows up repeatedly, it could indicate a common underlying issue. Correlation analysis. This involves comparing logs from multiple systems to identify interconnected issues. For example, if a network issue in one log coincides with database failures in another, they might be related. Root cause determination. Once you identified patterns, drill deeper into the logs to find out the root cause. For example, a database timeout might be caused by an underlying hardware failure. Resolution tracking. After identifying the root cause, track the resolution process through updated logs, ensuring that the issue is fully resolved. Are you looking to enhance system performance and security? Log analysis can unlock valuable insights. By identifying patterns and trends in system behavior, you can prevent issues before they escalate. One of the most important aspects of log analysis is performance trend analysis. For example, tracking CPU usage over time can help identify when the system starts slowing down, allowing you to address bottlenecks early. Another key practice is usage pattern recognition. For instance, if you notice that a specific user group accesses certain resource at a high frequency, it can help you optimize those systems for better performance. Capacity utilization trends are also essential. By reviewing storage or bandwidth usage over time, you can predict when you will need to scale your infrastructure. Don't overlook error frequency analysis. This could reveal recurring issues such as server timeouts, which could point to an underlying problem. Finally, identifying security incident patterns is crucial. Regular analysis can help detect anomalies like multiple failed login attempts signaling potential security breaches. By following these best practices, you can keep your system running smoothly, efficiently, and securely. Let us explore how access logs play a crucial role in maintaining compliance and safeguarding your organization. Regulatory requirements. In today's digital landscape, businesses must adhere to strict regulations. For example, under GDPR compliance, companies must track data access and usage to protect personal information. Similarly, SOX, Sarbanes-Oxley requirements mandate that companies retain logs to ensure financial data integrity. Industry specific regulations like those in healthcare or finance also necessitate detailed log records to demonstrate compliance. Audit support. Logs provide essential evidence for audits, enabling businesses to collect evidence of access and changes. Proper documentation through logs is vital for tracking activities and reporting capabilities, ensuring an organization can provide a clear audit trail when required. Security measures. Logs play a pivotal role in security, offering insights into potential threats. They allow for access control verification, ensuring only authorized users are accessing sensitive information. Logs also help track change management, ensuring that no unauthorized modifications occur. In case of a security incident, logs become indispensable in investigating the root cause and mitigating future risks. Thank you for exploring access logs in the SAP Integration Suite with us. We have covered key concepts related to monitoring and analyzing logs for better visibility and troubleshooting within the integration platform. Understanding access logs helps ensure secure and efficient system operations, improving overall performance and issue resolution. We hope this session has provided valuable insights into leveraging access logs effectively. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for more informative sessions.
Let us wrap this up with something special. At ZaranTech, our research team just compiled the complete SAP module journey and learning blueprint. Want those insightful videos flowing into your inbox? Follow our channel and like this video or comment SAP career below. Next week, we are revealing which SAP modules have the highest fresher hiring rate in 2024. Don't miss it. Hit that notification bell.
Thank you for watching our video. Are you looking to elevate your career in SAP or start learning from the ground up? Look no further than our comprehensive SAP courses on the Teachable platform. We have partnered with industry experts to bring you self-paced courses covering the entire spectrum of SAP solutions, ERP, HANA, SuccessFactors, and more. Learn at your convenience from anywhere in the world. SAP professionals design our courses with years of real-world experience. They will guide you through comprehensive curriculums, blending theory with practical applications and real-world examples. Engage with interactive video lessons, quizzes, exercises, and hands-on projects. Apply what you learn immediately and solidify your understanding. Once enrolled, you will have lifetime access to the course materials, allowing you to revisit them whenever needed. And upon completion, you will receive a certificate to showcase your newfound SAP expertise. With affordable pricing and flexible payment options, investing in your SAP education has always been challenging. Take advantage of this opportunity to take your skills to new heights. Head over to our Teachable page, explore our course offerings, and enroll today to kickstart your journey toward becoming an SAP expert.